Well, I wouldn't be much of an entrepreneur developing therapeutics if I didn't think our technology was the best thing around, right? So, of course, I think the world should embrace nanots immediately, if not sooner. Um, I do think what we really need is not just better therapeutics, but safer ones. And therapeutics that have zero toxicity or extremely low toxicity, they're just unheard of. So I'm very excited to be contributing this to fill this gap in the therapeutic toolkit with nanots against soluble targets. I do want to say that everything the other panelists mentioned as well is super interesting and in some cases directly relevant to what we're doing. So, Eric, I'll be calling you offline about your diagnostics because everything we do with target depletion, unlike drugs, we measure our targets before we deplete them, and we measure them again after we deplete them.
I love thinking of the most real-time feedback we can get in terms of what's happening currently, and then also increasing the buffer between diagnostics and finding out or predicting something might happen, and increasing that buffer to months and years and decades beforehand. So if you can, you're not only taking control of your health right now in real time, but you're pushing out the buffer of disease into the future, and you can keep doing that with measurements and with devices. I'm very excited about neurotechnology in general right now, because it's a very complex space, neuroscience, but there's more and more specific outcomes that are being enabled by algorithms right now. One technology that we're working with is using a non-invasive brain-computer interface to allow those that have ALS and palsy to speak, even if they don't have motor control.
Diagnostic side, Lou, I mean, from our standpoint, a pharmaceutical company, looking at disease states, testing patrons within that disease state setting to find out if they have or have the potential of that disease state is a key element. On the diagnostic front within our company, within Blink Science, there is nothing out there like this technology. There's not an instant type of diagnostic testing platform. And so, not only from a US marketplace, but also from a global marketplace, to bring a low cost diagnostic type of test is something that the global healthcare needs. And so we're looking to help to bring that to the marketplace.